It's Miss Shaw.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mr. Burkle.
My name is Miss Bailey.
Hello, everybody. My name is Miss Middlebrook, but you guys can call me Miss M.
Hi, second graders. My name is Miss Hickman, and I am so excited to be your summer reading teacher.
Hey guys, it's me, Miss Nieves. Thank you for joining me today.
Welcome back, my sweet friends. My name is Miss Middlebrook, and you cannot forget my teaching assistant, Squirtle. We are so excited to be back going over a new learning goal, which is going to be adding not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 2-digit numbers. It is going to be so important that we remember that ones place and tens place, because we are going to be adding those values of each addend to figure out the sum. Give me a thumbs up if you are ready to go. So, what would be the value of the ones place in my number 21? 1, very good. And what about 13? Tell me. 3, fantastic job. What about in the number 32? What's the value of my ones place? 2. And then in the number 12, what is the value of my ones place in 12? 2, fantastic job. So in your ones place, you will be adding 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. Now, before we start adding our 4 2-digit numbers together to find the sum, we have to move on to the tens place and figure out the values of each of our addends. So tell me, what is the value of our tens place in the number 21? 20, fantastic job. So I'm going to write a 20 here. And then what is the value of my tens place in my addend? 13. 10, very good. So I'm going to write a 10 here. What about my number 32? 30! Great job! I have 3 tens, so my value is 30. And then last but not least, what is my value of my last addend? 12. 10. Great job. I am now ready to add, but I'm going to need your help, okay? So I want to hear a whoop, whoop if you are ready to help me. I am so excited. Let's get to adding. While we're adding, I want to show you a little trick to help you keep track of how much you're adding, okay? So watch closely to see what I do. So I'm going to start with my ones place to add. I have 1 plus 3 equals 4. Very good. And I'm actually going to write a little teeny 4 right underneath, because guess what? It's now 4 plus 2 equals 6. I'm going to write a little baby 6 at the bottom. And then now it's 6 plus 2 equals 8. Fantastic job. So my sum in my ones place is 8. So I'm going to go ahead and write 8 because you found the sum of our ones place. Awesome! Now it's time to move to our tens place. So let's go ahead and start with 20 plus 10 equals 30. I'm going to write a little teeny 30 underneath. Now what is 30 plus 30? You got it? 60. Great job. So I'm going to write a little 60 to help me remember. And now, what is 60 plus 10? 70. Very good. So I'm going to write a 70 because I know it's my sum in my tens place. We are not finished yet. Squirtle, I'm going to need your help with this because Squirtle, how do we figure out the sum of our ones place and the sum of our tens place and put it all together? Squirtle, what do we do? What do we do? He says we can use expanded form to add the sum of our ones place and the sum of our tens place together to put it from expanded form into number form. I'm going to need your help with this, but let me write this in expanded form. We now have our two sums of our ones place and our tens place in expanded form of 70 plus 8. So, how would I write this in number form? What is 70 plus 8? Tell me what you think. You got it. 78. Great job. And guess what? You found out the sum of our 4 two-digit number problem, which is 78. Let's go ahead and move on to a new example. All right, well, I'm going to need Squirtle to help me with this next part. Now, Squirtle, can you help me write out my tens place values that I need to add together? He said he's a little bit nervous. Can you say, "Go, Squirtle, you can do it"? Okay. Okay, he's not so nervous anymore because you said that he can do it. So Squirtle, can you help me out here? He's gonna do it. Thank you for giving him that encouragement. Are you ready, Squirtle? So, what would be my first value there? 10, because I see I have 110 in my first add-in. So I'm going to write a 10 here. Now, Squirtle, what is my second value of my add-in 37? 30. Great job, Squirtle. Give me a thumbs up if Squirtle is doing good so far and you agree with his two choices. Awesome, Squirtle. They're agreeing with you. They say you are on a roll. You're doing fantastic. So what would be my next value? He says 10 because I see I have 110 in the number 19. So I'm going to write another 10. And then last but not least, Squirtle, the number 29. He says 20. Awesome. So I see that I have the values of 10 plus 30 plus 10 plus 20 that we need to add together. Can you say, "Thank you, Squirtle"? Thank you, Squirtle. Great job, Squirtle. Now let's go ahead and add up our values from our ones place. And we have 0 plus 7 equals 7. Very good. So I can put a little 7 there. What is 7 plus 9? Take a second. What is 7 plus 9? 16. Fantastic job. So I will go ahead and write 16 here. And then now, what is 16 plus 9? $25. Great job. I know it was getting a little bit hard, but you found the sum of the values in your ones place, which is 25. Fantastic job. Let's go ahead and add up our tens place now, which is 10 plus 30 equals 40. Very good. What is 40 plus 10? 50. And then 50 plus 20? Tell me. 70. Very good. And you found the sum of the values in your tens place. And then I will go ahead and we have to figure out how to add the sum of our ones place and the sum of our tens place together again. Here we go. So I went ahead and I wrote out the sum that we found from our tens place and the sum that we found out in our ones place. So we need to put them together and figure out what's the sum of our whole 4 two-digit addition problem. So, I see I have 70 plus 25. You can look in the place value to help you figure out what the sum is going to be. So, let's go ahead and look in our ones place in both of these add-ins down here now, which is 0 plus 5 equals 5. Very good. And now to our tens place. What is 7 plus 2? Or 7 tens plus 2 tens? 9 tens. Very good. So we can go ahead and write a 9 here. So what is your sum of your 4 two-digit number problem here? 95. Great job. You did so awesome. I know it's a little bit tricky, but you did so good and I'm so proud of you. Squirtle and I are so proud of you. You did a fantastic job adding those 4 two-digit numbers based off of their place value. And now it is your turn to go have some fun and practice and check your work with a partner. In your week 3 packet, you have an activity that's called Add 4 Add-ins, and you'll go ahead and do just like what we went over in today's video. Well, until next time, we are so proud of you, right, Squirtle? And have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye! Welcome back, my sweet friends. It is Miss Middlebrook and Squirtle back together again for a fantastic video and a fun activity going over 3-digit addition, but with a missing addend, and 3-digit subtraction with the missing subtractand. Before we jump into our next activity, we need to practice some bunny rabbit jumps. So if I tell you to make a ones place jump, you need to make very, very, very small bunny jumps. Show me your smallest bunny jump now. Awesome. So now, when we're moving to our tens place, or our 10 jumps, we need to make those a little bit bigger. So put your bunny ears on and show me a little bit higher of a jump. Show me. Great job. And last but not least, we go to our hundreds place. We have to make the biggest bunny jump, so I want you to put your bunny ears on and jump as high as you can to represent our hundreds jump that we're gonna make on our open number line. Show me your biggest jump now. Go! You jumped so high, you are now ready to start our activity. Remember, we are bunnies today. Squirtle, we have a problem. We are missing an addend in our 3-digit addition problem. So we need to figure out what that missing addend is by using an open number line and doing your bunny jumps based off of the place value of the ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. Because we're going to start at 542, and our goal is to get to the sum of our 3-digit addition problem. Let's go ahead and start in our hundreds place. I see in my very first addend that we know we have 5 hundreds. Now, how many more hundreds do I need to get to 700? I have 500 here. How many more hundreds do I need to get to 700? 200. Very good. So I'm going to make 200 jumps. So what I need you to do is put your bunny ears on and jump while I am writing my hundreds jumps. Okay? You ready? I have 100, and then I have another 100. Those were some big jumps. You made your 200 jumps to represent the 200s that you need to get from 500 to 700. Great job. Now we need to move to our tens place. How many tens do I have in my addend 542? 4 tens. And what's the value of 4 tens? 40. Fantastic job. And then how many tens do I have in my sum? 6. And what's the value of 6 tens? 60. So, how many tens do I need to add to 40 to get me to 6 tens or 60? 2. Great job. So put your bunny ears on and let's make our 2 10 jumps. So are you ready? I have 1 10 jump, and I have another 10 jump. Great job. We need to move to our ones place, and I see that I have 2 ones and 542, but we need to get to 5 ones and 765. So how many ones do I need to add to get to 5 ones? 3. Very good. So we need to go ahead and make our little teeny tiny 1 bunny jumps. Okay? So remember, make those little jumps when I'm writing our 1 jumps on the open number line. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Fantastic job. So we made our jumps. We went from 542 to 765, but we need to figure out what is the sum of all of these jumps we made based off of each place value to figure out the missing add-in. Now let's go ahead and look in our hundreds place first. How many 100 jumps did I make? 2. Very good. So I can actually write a 2 in my hundreds place. How many 10 jumps did I make? 2. Very good. And what's the value of 2 10s? 20. Great job. So I'm going to write my 2 here, my 2 10s that has the value of 20. And then how many 1 jumps did I make? 3. Very good. And you figured out what the missing add-in is. Because if you add 542 plus 223, you will get the sum of 765. For our next example, we are still bunny rabbits, but we are going to 3-digit subtraction, and we have not the missing add-in, but a missing subtractant, okay? So the number here in our 3-digit subtraction problem, we're missing it, and we gotta find what it is using our open number line. But it gets a little bit confusing because we are actually starting with the difference at the beginning of our number line, and then we are ending with the number that we already know. So we have to make our bunny jumps to figure out this missing number here to complete our subtraction problem. Instead of making individual 100 jumps, we're going to be making bigger 100 jumps by combining the amount of 100 jumps we have to make. The same with the tens place, and even the same with the ones place, okay? So let's start with our hundreds place here. I see that I have a 5 in my hundreds place, so I have 5 hundreds here. I need to get to 9 hundreds. How many hundreds do you think we need to get us to from 500 to 900? Tell me. 400. Very good. So put on your bunny ears, and we're going to make one big 400 jump. So you ready? Those bunny ears should be on. So let's make our big 400 jump. Now moving on to our tens place, I see that I have a 4 in my tens place, so I have 4 tens. What's the value of 4 tens? 40. I have the value of 50 in my tens place here, or 5 tens. How many tens do I need to add to my 4 tens to get my value of 5 tens, or 50? 110. Very good. And tell me, what is the value of 110 block? 10. Fantastic job. So I'm going to go ahead and you're going to put your bunny ears on, and I'm going to draw our 10 jump that we're going to do. So get ready to jump with me. Very good. That was a really good jump. Now, last but not least, where do you think we're moving to? What place value? Our ones place. I see that I have 6 ones here, and I have 9 ones over here. So how many more ones do I need to get from 6 ones to 9 ones? Going to make just one little one jump that's going to represent the 3 ones we need to add to our ones place here to get a value of 9 in our ones place. Great job. Just like our first example, we are going to take the values of each jump, so the hundreds, tens, and one jump that we did, and we're going to put those values in standard form or a number form to figure out the missing subtractant. So, how many 100 blocks have a value of 400? Tell me. 4, very good. So I'm going to go ahead and write a 4 here. Now I see I have a value of 10. How many 10 blocks have a value of 10? 1. Great job. So I'm going to put a 1 here. And then I have 3 for my little 1 jumps that I did, since I made 3 little 1 bunny hops. So, what number should represent the value of 3 in my ones place? 3! Yes, so guess what? We figured out our missing subtractant. Because if you were to subtract 959 minus 413, you would get the difference of 546. You did an awesome job today, right, Squirtle? Now it is your turn to go practice what we went over in this video by doing your activity 2 in your week 3 packet, which is your 3-digit addition on an open number line, and your activity 3, which is 3-digit subtraction on an open number line. Well, have so much fun doing your activities, and until next time, we'll see you soon. Bye!